What's the difference between financial and managerial accounting? I'll talk about that in this video. My name is Katherine. I'm a CPA and your accounting tutor, and I help accounting majors like you through graduation and beyond. Financial accounting is specifically geared towards external users, such as banks or potential investors who are considering loaning money to or investing in the company. They want to know how likely it is that a loan will be repaid on time in the case of a bank, or how likely the company is to turn a profit in the case of an investor. In your financial accounting class, you'll learn the basics of accounting, including the accounting equation, debits and credits, and how to create different statements such as the income statement, balance sheet, and statement of cash flow. It's really important that you learn debits and credits in this class because you're expected to understand them in the next class you're likely to take, managerial accounting. Managerial accounting is specifically for internal users, such as managers, when making decisions about things like potentially eliminating a product line, adding a product line, calculating the product costs for different products that the company makes, and whether or not to accept a special order from a customer. This class explores a lot of the gray areas of accounting, and you'll get to see how different assumptions or different priorities affect how profitable certain departments or items look on the financials. As a quick example, let's say that you have a factory where you make 3 different products. Some costs of making those products are easily traced to the specific product line, such as the direct materials that go into each item, and the direct labor of people working each line. Each worker is likely assigned to the same product for every shift, or at least they're not switching which product they're working on while in the middle of a shift. And when they clock in every day, they have to enter which line they're working on. There's a straight line between the cost of direct materials and direct labor and the cost of each individual item. But there are some expenses where it isn't such a straight line, such as rent for the factory building, the electric bill, the WD-40 that maintenance puts on all of the machines, and the salary expense for those maintenance workers. How do you separate those costs to the 3 different products? You need to know how much it costs you to create each product before you can decide how much to charge the customer for it. There are a couple of different ways you can separate those factory costs, and that's what you learn in managerial accounting. This is my personal favorite accounting class as both a student and a tutor, so if you're taking this class now or are signed up to take it in the future, please reach out to me. I'd love to work with you and help you pass this class. That's true for any accounting class generally, but especially managerial accounting. I'll also say that this class tends to trip people up more than financial accounting. Managerial accounting is much more difficult to guess your way through. It also relies on some basic algebra to solve for X, so I definitely recommend brushing up on that before taking managerial accounting. To recap, financial accounting is for external users and managerial accounting is for internal users. If you want a free cheat sheet to help you keep debits and credits straight, you can find it linked in the description below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!